Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Livestorm account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Google Calendar to your Livestorm webinar account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Google Calendar to Livestorm anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing webinars, if you link your Google Calendar, you can sync your event in Livestorm to your Google Calendar. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Livestorm dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already logged into my Livestorm account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link your Google Calendar, here on the left side, you're going to click on the Apps button. Once you do that, you're going to see this menu on the left, and you want to click on My Personal Apps. All right, once you do that, you're going to click on the Google Calendar logo. Once you do that, you want to click here on Enable with Google. Okay, next Google is going to open up a browser, and you want to choose which Google Calendar you want to connect. I'm going to choose this one. Okay, you're going to see this pop up, and Google's going to warn you that they're going to share information with your Livestorm account. If you're okay with that, click on Continue. Okay, next you want to go ahead and choose your permissions. I'm going to go ahead and select all, and then scroll to the bottom, and then click on, okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. You'll see a pop-up confirming that your Google Calendar is connected to Livestorm. And if you close down this box, you should see a green enabled logo next to your Google Calendar. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Google Calendar to your Livestorm webinar account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.